Sweet. Here, I'll put some more water in here for this little guy. And take him out. Oh my god, that's so sad. Yeah, I'll just put them both in actually. Fuck it. Go play with your friend, Lucinda.
Lucinda.
There we go.
Okay, can you like tap the glass so she notices that there's some. Oh,
There she goes.
she doesn't notice.
They're staying so low, they're just like freaking. You're in the